Hello, this is a very quick unboxing. This time it's for Lamptron Deluxe Modding Toolkit. This is a small little kit that you use to remove the power connectors from the cables on your power supply so that you can re-sleeve and mod them. So let's get it open and see what it's all about. Bit annoying. Oh wait, should we do that again? This time without being an idiot. Duh. I'm leaving that in. Right, so let's see what we've got. Well, we have first and foremost got various little widgets and things. There's the main shaft, which I'm also struggling to get out. Why won't you come out? No, really, why won't you come out? What? These all come out. So these, this is driving me mad. These are the different tools that you can use to mod your power supply with. And they throw in a flat blade and a crosshair screwdriver as well. But it's impossible to get the bits out. That's a little prongy thing. That's another prongy thing. It's impossible to get them out. Dig them out with a knife. Am I being a numpty? I had my second COVID vaccine yesterday. So, but has this turned me into an idiot? Because I can't use foam. Ooh, that's got a bit of weight to it. That has. That is, that's pretty heavy. Anything else in there? No. I mean, that's the most annoying thing ever. So these kind of fit on. That goes in there, like that. And then these kind of screw in like that. And there's different sizes. So we'll go with, let's go with this one. Put that in there. That feels pretty substantial. So I'll just grab a power supply, which I've got on the floor down here, and we'll see what it's got. It's got a Molex. So what you can do is shove that in there like that, and then it's really easy to take out the cable. So I'll just shove that back in, because they're kind of still got little springs on them. So you just shove it in. If I can get it in the right place. Shove it in, and then it just kind of releases it. I mean, that's brilliant. That works so well. And so that just takes that out for your Molex. So if you want to take out, and that must be for, one of these is going to be for SATA. Maybe. No. Maybe I've got to use, yeah, I've got to use that for SATA. Maybe it doesn't do SATA at all. Oh yeah, it says the big comb. So this one, so let's do it properly and not be silly, because when you're trying to save time, by reinventing the way someone says you've got to do things, that doesn't always save time. So that fits in there, and then you should be able to just take these out. So if I just put that on the desk and give that a push in there, can I pull that out? The answer is no, I can't. Yes, I can. So you have to get it in the right place. And that's it out. So that works. That does work actually quite effectively once so if you don't take any shortcuts and actually attach the tool to the thing, and you sort of wriggle about and get a feel for, it's like kind of putting a key in a lock. If you try and put it in upside down, it won't go in. If you try and put it in backwards, it won't go in. You have to put it in the way it was meant to work. So as long as you bear that in mind, it actually works really well. I mean, let's face it, it's not a massively technical bit of kit, but nonetheless it does a very specific job very well. So these are the ones it covers. That one there is a bit old school, but I think you find that on some sort of server motherboards, don't you? I don't know, or sort of control equipment. So it's still a plug that people use, but then you've got these sort of things here. So you can basically take the connectors off all the cables on your power supply, so then you can re-sleeve them and put some different coloured sleeves on, and then some shrink plastic at the ends, and fit the connectors back on. So if that's what you can, once you've worked out how to get them out, oh god, so annoying. Once you've worked out how to get them out, then it's actually quite a good little tool, because it does a very particular job very, very well. So if you're looking to mod your cables, then that's what you need to get. So yeah, any comments? I'm not going to edit this video. I'm just going to put it out there, and sort of blame my sort of grogginess on the vaccine I had yesterday, which is absolute nonsense, because it doesn't really do that, does it? But let's blame the vaccine. Yeah, any comments? Stick them in the comments. I always reply to them. Liking and subscribing is always appreciated, and thanks for watching.